Minutes matter on every call. You can save them without sounding robotic or breaking compliance. Hi, I'm Ashish, and in this video, you will learn how to use short, efficient scripts for common caller intents in a US voice-based contact center. You will see how to keep compliance sound natural and still shave seconds off almost every interaction. If you want ready to use scripts that make your call smoother and faster, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you do not miss new training videos. Today's topic is efficiency scripts. You will get tightened scripts for verification, placing a caller on hold, transferring and closing the call. You will learn simple tagging phrases that make your transition sound smooth and confident. You will hear time saving examples and a live call read through that you can copy and practice. Let us talk about why efficient scripts matter. Short, clear sentences help you control the call, reduce confusion, and lower talk time. You are still compliant, but you are not wasting words. Your caller hears confidence when you keep the message tight. Let us start with caller verification. A long version might sound like this. Can I please have your full name, your date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number? Now listen to the efficient version. Name, date, last four of your social, please. You keep every required item but you remove the extra filler. It is direct, clear and faster for both you and the caller. After the caller answers, use a short tagging phrase to move forward. For example, you can say, got it, confirming now. That simple tag tells the caller you're working on their request. Next, let us look at putting a caller on hold. Here's the longer version many agents use. I'm going to place you on a brief hold while I check this out. Is that okay? Here's the efficient, compliant version. I'll put you on a short hold to check this. Thank you. When you know the timing added in, for example, about 60 seconds, that line sets expectations and reduces anxiety. Now let us talk about transfers. Many callers hate vague transfers. A long version might sound like, I will transfer you to the correct team who can help you further. Here is the efficient version. I'll connect you to billing one moment, then add a short reason so they know what will happen. They will review the charge with you. This builds trust and makes the transfer feel purposeful. Let us move to wrap up and closing. A long closing question might be, is there anything else I can help you with today? The efficient version is, anything else real quick? If they say no, close clearly and professionally. All set, thanks for calling, company name. You can feel how each script is shorter but still complete. Now here is a simple idea that can reset a stalled call in seconds. Use micro scripts for your most common intents. Think of each micro script as three parts. First, the intent label. Second, the required elements. Third, the transition tag. For example, for verification, it looks like this in your mind. Verification, name, date of birth, last four, confirming now. You do not say the label out loud, but thinking it keeps you focused and steady. For a hold, it can be hold reason, time, thank you. Spoken, it becomes, I will put you on a short hold to check this, about 60 seconds, thank you. For a transfer, your mental script might be transfer, team name, reason, one moment. Spoken, that sounds like, I will connect you to billing to review the charge, one moment. Tagging phrases make all of these micro scripts feel smoother. Here are a few you can reuse. I'm confirming that, checking that now, one moment, thank you. On a short hold, each tag tells the caller you are taking action right now. It keeps them calm and stops them from repeating the same question. Let us do a quick role play so you can hear this flow. You say to the caller, name, date of birth, last four of your social, please. The caller answers Jane Doe, January 15th, 1989, 1, 2, 3, 4. You respond, got it, confirming now. Then you say, I will put you on a short hold to verify these details. About 45 seconds, the caller says okay. You finish with thanks back in 40. Notice how every line is short but clear. You are leading the call, not letting it drift. Now you will hear a full live call demo like a real billing dispute so you can practice along. Imagine you are the agent on a live call. You say, thanks for calling. This is Alex. Name, date of birth, last four of your social, please. The caller says John Smith, March 12th, 1978, 5678. You answer, got it, confirming now. You quickly review the account and say, I see the unexpected charge. I'll pull the transaction and place you on a short hold about 60 seconds. You put the caller on hold, check the details, then return. You say, thanks for waiting. Here is what I found. The charge posted on June 12th for $29.99. Description, service fee. The caller replies, I do not recognize that. You respond calmly, I'll connect you to billing to dispute this. I'll warm transfer and stay on in case they need details. You reach the billing agent and say, hi, I have a warm transfer for a dispute. John Smith, last four, 5678, charge $29.99 on June 12th, caller waiting. Then you go back to the caller and say, John, I'm transferring you now, one moment. The caller says, thank you. In that short demo, you kept compliance, gave clear facts, and used efficient scripts at every step. You removed filler, but the call still feels human and respectful. Let us do a mini cap so you can lock this in. Shorten verification to only the required items. Use tagging phrases like got it, confirming now to show action. Keep your hold and transfer scripts tight. Always state the reason and timing. Use warm transfers when possible to save time and protect trust. End with a clear, confident closing line. Here is a simple checklist you can keep next to your screen. Verification, name, date of birth, last four captured. Hold, reason and expected time spoken. Transfer, team name and reason shared. Warm transfer if needed. Wrap up quick, anything else question, and clear closing phrase. If this helped you, subscribe now and turn on notifications so you get more training ready scripts for your shifts. In the next video called Live Coaching Tips, you will learn how trainers deliver micro coaching during live shifts. You will see brief feedback techniques and the sandwich method so you can coach or be coached in under 1 minute without breaking the call flow. Want a simple template you can paste into your CRM and start using on your next shift? Subscribe now and do not miss the next video.